Hello everyone, this is Adit back again with another video. So in this video, we are going to talk about a terminal that I have been using from last couple of months, and it is really cool. And I have been using like iTerm2 from past couple of years, but now I have completely moved to this terminal, and it is really awesome. So let me just walk you through which terminal I'm talking about and what are the features it is going to provide, and why you should also try this and if you are using Mac, because it is not available for Windows as of now. So before we start, and if you are new here, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon. And if you have any suggestions or any comments, then do comment on this video. And, so let's get started now. So basically, this is a terminal that I have been using from past couple of months, and it is called Warp. And if you just wanted to visit this web page, then you can just go there like warp.dev, and you can just download it. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. And so it just like it's a in this terminal you can do all the features, like features that I'm just going to introduce. Like if you just you can execute all the command, like the commands that you are going to execute over here. It is just like a simple text editor. So here you can just put anything over here, and you can also just run your command. Okay, and once you run the command, then it goes up and it creates a block of it. And you can also reuse this command, like if you just go over here and you can do copy command, copy output of the command, copy both. And you can also create the permalink of the command, like if you want to share this command with someone else, or its result to someone to your friends or some to your team members, then you can just do create permalink. Like let me just show you. You can just have this permalink and create a copy link, and it will also give you a link, and you can just use it over here, and you can just share this link to anyone. And apart from that, there are other features as well, like you can have working directory, copy prompt, find within the block, split the right, split down. So these are the really cool features that you can have inside this web terminal. And apart from this, we also have like if you just look for some themes, like usually when you use iTerm2, then over there you need to do a lot of configuration to have a new theme. But inside this wrap terminal, you already have I think around 15 themes already included. So you can just choose from that, or you can I think there must be some other way as well to do add some other themes add as well. But as per my suggestion, like these 15 themes they have included, this is really nice. Like if you just do command P, and you will have to see all these commands and shortcuts that wrap has provided to us. And what you can do now, let's just search for the theme, and here we are going to have open theme picker. And if you just click over here, like we can choose for the different themes. Okay, and we can also have images in our background. Okay, so let's just use some of them, any one of them. I've been just using this one. And you can have multiple tabs. Like it was also available in iTerm2, but it's fine completely. But apart from this, there are other shortcuts as well, like settings, invite, will join, and these are something else. But what I was trying to show you, like it has AI command search as well, which it will help you to, like if you just write something like I want to create a directory and hit enter, then it will generate the code, and it will also show the that mkdir. Like you can just now get this, input this command in your terminal and just run it, and this will work completely fine. So it is really helpful. And like if you have some, if you're forgetting about some of the commands and you know what that command actually does, you can just type it over here and you get the command. So it's really cool. And apart from that, we can have history, and it displays all the history like this. Like you can just if you just press up arrow key, then it will just display all of them, right? And apart from this, like if you just do some ls, like every command that you run is going to have a different block of code, and these all are available over here. Like it is also showing ls and stuff, and yeah, these are the all the blocks of code. You could also clear or remove all the blocks, clear blocks. You can just and this is how it will clear the blocks. And there are like some other features as well, like copy command, delete, and all. So let's just go to its documentation. From there we will have to get more insights of what are the features it is providing to us. So now, and input, like as I already told you, input is just a text editor. You can execute anything and run anything over there. So, and it creates a block and find. And there is one more thing that I wanted to show is like history. And here over here you can just search for workflow. Inside the workflow you can just search for any other commands, like my work. You can create your own workflow, or you can just have like abday for android for code, right? Or you can have curl, like all the, it gives some of the code as a suggestion, and you can just get help from there as well. Like curl is to follow redirect and all those stuff. We can also get some commands for the docker, and we can create our custom commands as well. Like in my workflow we can just write it, and there are many included, like tail, ssl, git is also there, I think. So yeah, git is also here, and there's, I think most of the code is over here, and grep home view. So this is one of the other cool features that wrap provide us. And you yeah, like we can also go to its settings and choose other features as well. Like I have just logged in with my GitHub account over here. So now if you just go to dark or light theme, terminal fonts, you can also change that fonts or and font size. And if you just use the compact mode, I don't know what this is going to do, but let's have a feature wrap ssh wrapper. These are the features, and shared blocks. Like earlier while I was working on some project, I was just trying to create one permalink. So I created this permalink cd.desktop, and it is still available here, and it is still, I think, accessible. Like if you just hit over here, then we are able to see like we are still getting this command. And I can just remove it or just to unshare. So block was successfully unshared now. And we can have all the keyword shortcuts over here. Like you can see this keyword shortcuts and stuff. We have active text, next tab, previous tab, cursors and stuff. And then we just have a word. So basically it's a warp and warp terminal. It is really cool. I will definitely suggest you to try it once and give it. And it, for now it is not available for Windows, so you can't use it on Windows. And it is available only for Mac, or it might be available for Windows, Linux. I'm not pretty sure about it, but getting started. Okay, so it's not available for the Linux. It is, so basically they are planning to release get notification when the wrap is available for Windows or Linux. They are planning to uh, have Windows or Linux as well, but as of now there is no Linux or Windows, but you can definitely use it on your MacBook. So yeah, so this is it for this video. In this video I was just trying to give an introduction about this warp terminal that I've been using. I find it really cool, so that's why I thought of giving my suggestion on that and show you some of the really cool features of this terminal. So this is it for this video. If you like the video, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.